Hello guys, this is Andre. Got a DK Cyclone bike. Got some animal red pedals. Got some Primo tires, all street. Got some black rims. 39 tooth sprocket. Getting the 25 tooth sprocket soon. Got a DK seat. DK cranks. Got a little skull sticker right here. Customized it. Got some new black DK forks. Got some black rims in the front, of course. Multi-surface in the front. Tires. Got a nice fork. Love my fork. I got a nice stem. I got a DK bar. Sorry for a minute, I had to think there. I got some nice brakes. Got some Edmund De La Rosa grips. And I'm hoping to see you guys next time. Okay. Alright, bye.